In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix VibranceGUI error. You can run VibranceGUI only once at a time. So in case you're getting this error over here on your desktop once you're trying to start it up, simply click on OK, and then once this happens, the window is going to close down, and then it's very easy to fix this actually. So we're going to want to go ahead and go to your taskbar, right-click anywhere where there's empty space, and click on Task Manager. Now this will open up your task manager, and then in here where it says type a name, publisher, or PID to search, at the very top type in Vibrance. There we go. And then you should see some VibranceGUI programs running in here. Usually there's going to be one, maybe there's more. And if that happens and you can actually see it over here, which I right now can't, but of course if you can see it, click on that VibranceGUI. So it's going to be just like a program. Click on it, and then you want to right click it and then click on End Task. And then what this will do, it will close it down. Now once you've done that for all the VibranceGUI programs currently running, and then when you type in Vibrance like this, there's nothing showing and it says no filter results, then you are good to go, and then it should work whenever you are trying to open it up again. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.